What is slow travel? Slow travel is our travel philosophy based on mindfulness, cultural immersion, and do-it-yourself attitude. It's about living abroad without actually living abroad. It's not about immigration or the length of your trip. It's definitely not just for retirees or expats. It's about making the most of every trip, no matter where you go. I'm Jay, and this is my wife, Bougie. I recently retired from 30 years of government service. Bougie is just 2 years away from her retirement. We've committed to the idea of traveling as much as we can, wherever we can, as we approach the second half of our lives. We started making these videos for our friends and family. I call them little breadcrumbs. Amazing sights, good times, great food, real lessons learned from traveling the world. All our video footage, all our photographs are our own. We film it while we're on the road. Rather than sit in our kitchen and tell you what it was like, we prefer to show you this is what it's really like to travel the world one country at a time. Come with us. We hope you enjoy our channel.
Doucement.
Go slow.
Voyager.
Go travel.